Hi guys, so these pictures were taken somewhere last year when I got severe acne on my face, and after the acne I got some marks and it was so difficult to fade them, but at last I did. So I want to share with you what I did. So in this video I had some makeup on my face and I wanted you guys to see the raw face, so I had to wash my face with my CeraVe cleanser. This cleanser is so good for sensitive skin. If you don't have this cleanser, you can go ahead with any cleanser of your choice, or African black soap or the Osun soap. They work equally good, but the Osun will just dry your face, but this one will just moisturize your face after washing it. I had to go over and over because I did not use wipes. I just started with the soap, so my face had to be squeaky clean. After you wash your face, make sure you dry it with a clean towel, and when your face is still moist, apply Fambact A on your face. Please, Fambact A is not to be used every day, okay? But for this procedure, you have to use it like 2 or 3 times in the week. Fambact A and Blue Seal Vaseline. If you can't get the Fambact A, please try and find it. I don't know, because I don't know, without the Fambact A, the Vaseline might not work. So try and get the Fambact A and Blue Seal. My Vaseline is not really the original one because that's what we have in Germany. Find the one with blue lid and do this like 2 to 3 times a week. If you are dark skin and you don't have any face cream, you can use this as a face cream and then your face will glow. If you are someone who bleaches your skin, especially your face, you can do this step and increase the Vaseline so that it builds your face and all this sunburn and redness will leave your skin. Stay tuned, comment, subscribe and like.